Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. I know it's been a minute, but I've been gone for the past week. But in today's video, I'm coming at y'all with a very early review of the Air Jordan 3 in the Cardinal red colorway. And just a quick announcement, if you guys are looking for any female size watch bands for Valentine's Day, I know Valentine's Day is coming up real quick. I will have them down below in the description on my website. All of them are already made and they're ready to go. So if y'all are looking for a perfect gift for your lady and you would like to support your boy, check the link down below in the description. But without any further ado, let's get this video started. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 3 in the Cardinal red colorway. Now this colorway is set to release on February 24th at the price point of 200 clams. Now, as you guys can see right off the bat, we do have a brand new looking Jordan 3 box. I love it when Jordan Brand switches up the box. We got a different box for the pine greens, and now we have a different box for the Cardinal red 3s. Now, before we start this review, I want to give a huge shout out to my family over at Twin Soles for supplying this early pair to your boy. If I'm not mistaken, they do have a few pairs available for purchase if you guys are looking for an early pair. I ended up buying this pair in a size 10, which is my true size, and I recommend going true to size whenever you guys buy an Air Jordan 3. If you're wondering why I'm behind the camera, sometimes with white shoes, it kind of blasts out the background or it makes the background look a little bit too dark, so I figured I would give you guys this kind of review So I figured I'd give you guys this kind of review behind the camera so you guys could see everything in its full entirety. So just starting off, we have cement print paper right here. And here are the shoes. Bam! Here we go, the Cardinal 3s. I'm not gonna lie, in pictures, I wasn't sure if I was feeling this shoe, but now that I have them in hand, these things go crazy. So obviously, whenever we're talking about an Air Jordan 3, Air Jordan 3s are known for their cement print. That's like the classic go-to look for a Jordan 3. Now, what I like about this specific pair is the shape of everything. Some pairs that we've seen in the past seemed a little bit more bulky, but it looks like they went with this crazy shape on the toe box, which is a little bit more pointed, which resembles the 1994 look for the Air Jordan 3. I like this look a lot. Now, other than this pair, I haven't had a chance to see any of the other previous Air Jordan 3 releases in the past few months, so I'm not sure if those had this same shape, but I think this shape looks amazing with this shoe right here. Now, when I was getting into Jordans, the Air Jordan 3 was the first Jordan that I've ever purchased, and it was a pair of true blue 3s. And the first pair of shoes that I've ever restored was a fire red 3. So just seeing a nice, clean looking 3 come back is definitely bringing back all of these nostalgic memories that I have, and especially this Cardinal colorway that resembles the Air Jordan 7s that released in 2011, which is when I was back in high school, still saving money for shoes. These definitely take me back. Now, upon looking at the shoe, of course, we have our typical Air Jordan 3 midsole. It features 3 different colors, which is that red, gray, and white. Now, moving along to the midsole, this is where we get a little funky. The midsole features a nice glossy red hit right there, and it contrasts very well with that white at the bottom. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the white isn't as glossy. And I like how they did that, because if they went with a full gloss right here, it might look a little tacky, but for some reason, this gloss, it looks really nice on this shoe. Who remembers back in the day when you would get like 5 wears out of an Air Jordan 3 before it started cracking? Now with this new paint or new technology that Jordan Brand's incorporating with their sneakers, I haven't seen a lot of Air Jordans crack. I mean, you gotta put those things through the test of time if you guys wanna see any of the paint come off. But if you're just wearing these casually, you don't have to worry about anything. And I like that. Now let's talk about the quality, because whenever we're talking about an Air Jordan, we love to talk about the quality of the shoe. And I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture this, but let's take a closer look at the uppers. As I cast this shadow over the top, you're able to see how tumbled and how nice that leather actually is. Let me get a quick whiff on this. Smells like a brand new car. So obviously this leather wraps all around the top of the shoe, but it's also contrasted with a smoother leather. I really like how they added that Cardinal red on these lace stays right here. It really contrasts with the midsole, and it has that same gloss. So I think it's a good look. And of course, on the tongue, we have our iconic Jumpman in this almost bronze or orange. I don't know what you guys want to call it, but I like how it breaks up the red on the shoe, because there's a lot of red going on, but with this orange or coppery bronze color, it really just breaks everything up. We also have perforations on the tongue, and the tongue is made in that smooth leather, wrapping all the way up to the top. On the heel, we have that Jumpman Air, and honestly, I'm not mad at this. I can't really picture it with that Nike Air, so I don't knock Jordan Brand for doing this. So yeah, man, I'm not mad at that. That actually looks really good. And my favorite part about the shoe definitely has to be this sock liner right here. I don't know if y'all can see how smooth or how gushy that looks, but I could tell already that these are gonna feel mad comfortable on feet. This is more of like a satin, kind of like booty and leggings material. Not just any leggings. This has to be that Lululemon right there. Ooh, so this is real nice. And the insole features a white Jumpman with the Cardinal red on the insole as well. So there you guys have it. These are the Cardinal 3s that are releasing on February 24th for the price of $200. And like I said, if you guys want an early pair, feel free to hit up the homies over at Twin Soles. I have all their information down below in the description. I always love a clean Air Jordan 3 just because the leather on the uppers makes these extremely easy to wear in all types of weather conditions. Whenever it rains, my go-to shoes are either an Air Jordan 1 or an Air Jordan 3. You can't be mad at these, but I think that this pair right here is gonna go really well in that spring or summertime. Now, like I said, I did purchase this pair just to do this review video. As y'all know, I did cut down on a lot of my shoes. So these will be for sale so I could go ahead and reinvest the money to get more shoe reviews for you guys to keep this channel popping, all right? So if you guys are interested in this pair, it's gonna be listed as tried on. As y'all saw in the video, I did have to wear it just to show you guys what they look like on feet. But other than that, they didn't touch the pavement outside or anything, just the inside of the crib. If y'all would like to purchase, this will be on my website at shopsoltopia.com if you would like to secure these early. I feel like these might just sell out and they might be a little bit more difficult to get. So if y'all wanna wait, good luck to everybody. Let me know if these are a cop or drop in the comments section down below. And if you're interested in any of the pants that you saw during the B-roll of this video, that will be linked down below in the description as well. But other than that, I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.